Hey, welcome to my channel, Gargoyles and Diecast. Today we're going to get into it, do some shenanigans. I'm going to do a mashup. I haven't done one in a while, and you never know if they're going to come out right or not. But I've got an idea, so I'm going to run with it and see what we come up with. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, you see the two vehicles I have here. Let's go ahead and get them apart and see what we got to work with. Hey, this one has three. That's interesting. Don't see that very often. And it's alright though. Now these are plastic bodies, so obviously they'll be glued back together. If you've ever been in my place before, you already probably know I don't like plastic bodies or bases. But we're still going to do this. Now, that one just kind of fell apart, didn't it? Did have that broken piece there. I don't know what it was for originally, but doesn't matter. Alright, our wheels. Everything's a little different on this one. Notice the wheels they're kind of a crimp, but they're not at the same time. Okay. Well, the back ones are pretty much the same. So we'll break out the titanium bits to grind those down. Go and see if this one's ready to come apart. Might have to do a little more. Now those look like metal posts. But the body look to be plastic. Maybe it is metal. That'd be alright. Yeah, I'm fine with that. There we go. There's that one. It looks like it might be the wing part there. That's why it's got a metal post. Is that enough? There we go. Oh yeah, it's different. That's not the post either. So I was partially correct. It is plastic middle part of the body, which we will be keeping to use. So, but yeah, it is metal. So this one will get drilled, and hopefully that'll go back together no problem without having to glue it. This one, yeah, we'll be keeping that. Definitely keeping that part. Oh, what did I do to the other piece? I lost it already. Where did it go? It's this thing here. That's right. As you see, that's obviously plastic, so yeah. That'll be getting glued back together. Which is fine because the yellow thing went on either side of this. and it's busted, so I needed to fill that in anyway. So glue this back in, then fill that in with some JB Weld, and go from there. Or I could just say forget the blue thing, fill it all in with JB. Nah. Let's go ahead and throw some glue on this and glue it back in. A dot or two up here to kind of help hold it. No. Okay, that's about level. Sorry, I have the sniffles. There we go. That's in place. I'm gonna go ahead and get it ready for the tape and stuff. Pulling out the tape, doing a little Jim Solo handiwork here. He's the one that I learned this from. And it's not going to stick right now. I'm going to need to wipe this off. See if I can get all that off there. Otherwise, it's not, the tape isn't going to stick. And of course, because it's a plastic body, you won't be getting any stripping or anything done to it. Now the other one, because it's metal, I can actually do part of it if I want, which I probably will. Not really sure. Like I said, this is kind of unplanned for the most part. I had an idea and I'm running with it. So it'd be creative leisure, so to speak. No, I can get to the backside of that and fill those in. I'll take care of that. And here we are back from paint and everything. And this is what I came up with. Two unusual looking trikes. One is the reverse trike, kind of like a slingshot trike that's out now. That'd be the pink and blue one. And then the other is actually just a three-wheel trike that has a cockpit to it. I like it the best out of the two of them. But I drive either one, so. Anyway, that's all for this one, folks. Hope you guys like it. If so, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff I always say. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think and what you guys are looking forward to seeing, so I can plan out some more content. It's our everlasting battle. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.